What's up, outdoor enthusiasts? Today we are mining fossils with a rock hammer, and you've guessed it, in an abandoned quarry. Now right here are piles upon piles of boulders, and these boulders contain beautiful fossils. As you see right here, I have found mostly fern fossils, but look how detailed they are. And wow, this one right here has a fine-toothed fern and sticks on it, and it just looks really cool. Now check out this boulder. Isn't that incredible? Look at the dense array of ferns on this rock. When I saw this, I knew I had to have a piece for myself. Unfortunately, I forgot to film it, but using my rock hammer I was able to take off a chunk, and now I can take it home with me. Alrighty then. Right here I stumbled upon a cute little fern, and although there's a crack in it, I'm not picky. I removed that piece, and I was determined to get this fern. So, using my hammer, I removed this plate, and just to be curious, I looked under the plate, and you can see that there are more fossils. And right here, ferns. Now this is interesting. Right here I found a fossil that appears to look like snake scales. I was really intrigued. I don't know what this is. At this point in the day, I was just getting wacky, so I chose to destroy this rock, and as you can see, there was fossilized matter. And here, I was harvesting another fossil. Now this one, look at that. There are ferns, but there was also something else on there. Very curious. The color of this rock is beautiful because of the iron oxide that's present. Maybe you could subscribe to my YouTube channel, Robert Moonwalker, if you think this fossil looks nice.
And just like that, fossil.
Also, comment below if you know what this is. If I were on a game show and had to guess, I would say it's a fossilized tree. Ooh, a piece of coal. The only tool I used to harvest these fossils was my grandfather's old rock hammer. As you can see, it was a little crude at times, but it did the trick in my opinion. Like the video if you think I did an alright job, and dislike if you think I did a pretty bad job at getting these fossils.
This was inside the boulder itself.
I had to hike all the way up a mountain to get to this abandoned quarry in order to get these fossils. So, as you can see, I am taking a lot of mass away from these fossils so I can stuff them in my backpack and hike down the mountain safely, and so I don't tear out my back from all of the excess weight. After a whole day of mining fossils, this is my favorite one. There's just so much to like, I can't even begin. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. And hey, if there's an abandoned quarry by you, stay safe and mine some fossils.